Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. I garden with a lot of containers. There's some here, there's some here. These are the ones that I've already planted in for this summer, but I still have quite a few that I'm going to have to work with. That's these here that I'm going to be reworking the soil, amending the soil, and planting seeds in most of these for this spring and summer growing season. And just for fun, I have selected these 3 containers because they're different sizes, because they're free. This one was given to me by my neighbor across the street, and because they're unique, they're different. Now, what I'm going to do, again for fun, is to ask you guys to select which 3 of these you would plant and where you would plant them. The cantaloupe, the carrots, the tomatoes, the potatoes. So it's about $1 worth of seeds, and the containers are free, so you get where I'm going here. Basically, you're spending $1 to grow your food. So, even though this is on YouTube, this is going to be on all of our social media channels. It's going to be on the blog, it's going to be on Twitter, it's going to be on Instagram, our Facebook page. So wherever you choose to post your selection is fine. You can identify these as the black container, the white container, or the milk crate container, or container 1, container 2, or container 3, whichever is easiest for you. So once you pick the container, pick what you think will grow best in that container. Keep in mind the width, the depth, and the length of time it takes for this to grow. So I will await your responses. Thanks for participating. I'll come back with an update and let you know what you guys picked. This is the Frugal Gardener, and I'll catch you the next time. Enjoy your day.